circle. Roll it out and do pattern shapes on a big semicircle.
Semicircle, wow.
It's a big one.
Hmm.
What? Oh, wow! There's blue right there. Now open it now.
Okay, you can use these to play with it too.
They are really awesome here.
Look, and here's a mini roller, a little tiny roller you can roll it with too.
I'm taking it out of the exit off. I'm doing playdoh exit off. It's very sticky.
The excess off.
It's sticky.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Isn't that awesome? Awesome.
There it is. What is it? A circle? A cookie? That's cool.
There it is.
There it is. Look, and you have a little roller too.
How many women black bags? How many women black bags to me?
Mm-hmm.
How many women black bag?
You want to open the black one?
Yeah.
Okay. We're not mixing the colors together, right?
Dad and this.
Yeah, we're not mixing them together, right? Let's plop it out. What's happening? There we go. Let's not mix them together though, because we want to keep the colors separate, right?
I'm gonna do 2 of these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right.
Movie color.